Catherine's actually amazing. Oh, a little overzealous with that recovery. Pretty good effort there. Oh, Katherine's actually like doing really well. She's like even on stocks against florets at the moment. No DI as well, dying at 35. What is this? That was pretty disgusting. Buddy. So, I'm glad that we're making do. Yes. It's pretty cruddy, but it's oh baby. Jeez.
So we got
Katherine's actually really oh my god! Katherine's so good.
She's so good.
I need a people's champion vote for Katherine. I mean,
she's like chance and things you just don't expect her to hit.
No. Oh my god.
And then she just makes like one little mistake.
Oh no. I thought she was gonna do like a regular get up then and get like destroyed. She didn't. Instead she gets destroyed by the back air.
Damn.
Oh well.
What's the chat saying?
Oh well.
How many people have we got? Nice.
Hey. We're like 3. Woo! Yeah. We in there.
Freedom, yeah. Pam's hard.
Pam's
All the inputs are different. You think you're doing some super precise thing and you just don't move.
Yeah.
And you're like,
I'm making a prediction. In 6 months' time, I might be a Fox fan.
what?
I don't know. I
Sucks,
just
dude. Your Fox is terrible and also
Zelda.
at Australia level, Falcon is straight up better.
just imagine that. That's all I'm saying. I'm not saying it'll happen overnight.
You might have
Maybe.
to actually play the neutral game if the Fox
What's that?
Yeah. It's the part of the game where you sit.
Well, you don't
on the other
always have
side
an
of the-
advantage?
Yeah, no, it's the part of the game where you sit with your shield like upwards on the other side of the stage.
Go!
I definitely don't do that. Maybe like
The straddles
maybe like
dude.
yeah. That's why I do it to straddles. Because it destroys it. Anyway. Yeah, like what do you mean I have to play a situation where I always don't have the advantage against lasers? It's crazy, man.
Lasers are okay.
Yeah, but what's more fucked than lasers is Zelda.
I don't know.
That's pretty silly. You press aerial neutral B and you just that's false.
Is that like actually shield rush it?
Yes.
But he doesn't have lasers, so...
Huh? Oh yeah. What's false is really easy.
Yeah, he just like walks at people and shines.
He'll like get a laser on shield and then done.
Yeah.
That's a stun.
Actually, he has a lot to learn from like watching my balls.
Oh yeah.
He just like has the most amazing like situation awareness.
Yeah, and his like his game plan is really simple as well.
Yeah.
It's just like, alright, dare you onto a platform, so and then I get a good tech chase. That's how I win. My rush is actually destroying right now. Yeah. All of that is paying off. Katherine is not a very good at that.
Katherine is a Falcon main at heart. I don't believe in the Zelda.
Good meter.
Yeah, you need to jump out from the stage and then I'll be back in.
It's not die again. That'd be pretty good.
Yeah, I don't want to see Katherine get full stuff. Is that it?
Could be.
Yeah, good up B. Big up B.
We did both. This is amazing. Yay! We did it. Can't wait to go back to over these VODs and take a look at how bad the audio quality is.
Yeah, dude.
It's gonna be real
It's good enough for Regan.
I don't think he's in chat anymore. Oh my god. These dins fire. Oh! Catherine's bringing it back. Let's go, Katherine. Oh, I had a feeling Florence wanted the side B there. No, it's over.
Game.
Huh? Oh, do we have to play?
Yeah.
I will be the one to take you down.
Nah, let's do me and fucking Nick. Alright.